Okay, everyone, today I have a really fun project and it is gonna be indoors because we're gonna be making blackberry and raspberry jam, and I've never done this in my life. I am really excited but also anxious because I really don't want to ruin these beautiful fruits. These are as fresh as they can get. They're picked from a local family-owned farm this morning. They're so yummy. I can't even begin to tell you. I have 4 kilograms of them, and I'm gonna be leaving 2 for my family just to eat fresh because they're amazing. 2 of them we're gonna be making into jam because raspberry jam is my favorite jam in the world. And we have blackberries, also really fresh. I bought them a couple of days ago from another family-owned local farm, and we already had 2 kilograms eaten because they were really good. But 2 of them we're going to be making into jam today. I bought some jars and they are in the dishwasher, and then I'm going to be moving them into the oven because they need to be kept warm. I washed the lids of the jars. I bought 2 different colors, not because I can't tell the difference between blackberry and raspberry jam, but for aesthetic purposes only. I have washed the lids, they're ready to be used, and now I'm gonna wash the blackberries first. I'm gonna wash them, I'm gonna drain the water, and then I'm gonna mash them with a potato masher. You know what I decided? I just don't feel confident enough to make all the blackberries into jam, so I'm gonna leave half kilogram of blackberries to eat them fresh because 2 kilograms weren't enough for us. And I'm gonna be making 1.5 kilograms blackberries into the jam. It's not gonna be difficult to measure the sugar because we're gonna crush them, and then we're measuring how many cups the blackberries are, and then we're measuring the amount, the same amount of sugar in cups. So it doesn't matter if it is 1 kilogram or 2 or 1.5. We're just measuring the final amount of blackberries that we have after we mash them, and just measure the same amount of sugar. So good. Now I'm gonna remove all the leaves and stems and things like that, just to make sure there's only fruit here, and I'm gonna wash them.
Blackberry.
That's very generous. Now I'm gonna mash the blackberries.
Mash, mash.
Mash, mash, mash. You wanna try it?
Yeah. Mash, mash. Mash, mash. Are we gonna mash the raspberries?
Yes. It will be much easier with the raspberries.
Because they're soft.
Yes. I'm done mashing the blackberries.
Good job.
Thank you. And now I'm gonna measure the amount in cups so that I will know how much sugar in cups to put. I don't know why I didn't measure it in the pot that I'm gonna be boiling it in. It was just unnecessary. Now we need 6 cups of sugar. I don't know if we'll have enough raspberries for the batch of raspberry jam, but we managed to save some blackberries as well, at least. Now I'm gonna put it to boil and then lower the temperature and let it simmer for probably around 30 minutes. We're gonna be trying it out, like consistency wise. Now I'm gonna take my jars from the dishwasher and I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm gonna turn it up to 250 Fahrenheit, 120 Celsius, and I'm gonna. Hello there.
I showed up. Or spawned from nowhere.
So I'm gonna put the jars into the oven to keep them warm, and I'm gonna keep my eye on the jam on the stove.
And I guess that's all.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You are very helpful.
Berries.
In the original recipe, there was nothing said about the foam that forms on the top layer of the jam, but my grandma used to remove all this foam because I think it, I don't know if it makes the quality of the jam worse, but it definitely makes it look worse. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna remove all this foam. While I'm preparing the raspberries, I'm gonna put this plate into the fridge. So when the jam is almost done, we can check the consistency by pouring a little bit of the liquid onto the cold plate and see how it drips. This is a trick that I have seen people do, and I'm gonna do the same.
I want.
So good. Oh my god, I need to buy more. Does it smell good?
I can't.
So meanwhile, I'm gonna pour some really hot water onto my lids to keep them warm and ready for the jam because it is getting there. Now we'll do the cold plate test to see if it is ready. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the jam. I think it's too early. I'll leave it on the cold plate out of the fridge. Leave it for a couple of minutes and then we'll try to see how it drips. It needs a bit more time. Come on kids, let's mash the raspberries.
Let's mash the raspberries.
It's much easier compared to the blackberries, right?
Mm-hmm.
Much easier.
A lot.
And the color is stunning. I think we're done. Now we're gonna measure.
Can I put the sugar? Oh, we're gonna count first.
I'm gonna measure it and then you're gonna pour it into the raspberries. Okay? You'll do half and now Maximus is gonna do half. Now we're gonna use another bowl again because now we mashed it into the.
Are we gonna use this bowl?
We were supposed to mash it into the bowl and then measure it into the pot.
Is
So
this-
yeah.
That's 6 cups. Again.
Yeah, almost 6. Now we're gonna bring it to boil and let it simmer. I think this is gonna be our final cold plate test, because I really don't want the jam to become too thick. I'm gonna leave it like that for a couple of seconds to make sure that the jam is cooled down enough, and then we'll see. I think this is good. I think this is really good consistency. Maybe a bit on the runnier side, but I prefer it compared to the much thicker version. So yes, this is good enough for me. And now I'm gonna pour the hot jam into the hot jars out of the oven.
I can tell they're hot.
They are really, really hot. I'm gonna put these jars in another tray and let them sit on their lids while I put the empty jars back in the oven to keep them warm for my second batch, which is the raspberry jam. And it was hectic, I will admit it. I wasn't prepared. I forgot to clean the jars after I poured the jam. I didn't have funnel because I couldn't find the one that is wide enough. So yeah, the first batch was really hectic. Now that the raspberry jam has been simmering probably around 35 minutes, I'm gonna do the cold dish test. It is out of the fridge. I'm gonna leave it. So this is the consistency now. I think it needs not more than 3-4 minutes because it's not completely cooled. That's yummy. And done. Guys, I have to report that the second batch went much smoother than the first one. This one was really hectic. I will admit it, it was really, really hectic. My hands are burning. So if I can give you an advice as a newbie in jam making, uh, definitely find wider funnel. That's why you won't need to pick up the jars, which are burning hot. And I did that with my bare hands and a little bit of a cloth. So yeah, if you have a wider funnel, you can pour the jam right into the jars without picking them up, which was definitely my biggest struggle, the hot jars. You will be much quicker also, and it will be cleaner as well. So these are all the pros of the wider funnel, which I didn't have. Now when the jars cool down completely, we're gonna clean them with wet cloth and we're gonna make some labels for them. So we're gonna stick the labels on the jars and we have to do the taste test as well. That's it. Are you ready?
Yes.
For a taste test? Let's do it.
I'm gonna go get Zara. Taste. Is it hot?
This one is still warm. This one is cooled down. I think you
I
should
want
try
this.
both. I think you should try both. And I need to try one as well.
We're gonna put jam on that.
Well, do it. Let's see.
No,
What did we
obviously.
do? It's okay. It's okay.
I need to try this. I need to try this. Okay.
I really want to try the raspberry one.
Yeah, I forgot.
It's
I'm
still
just gonna
hot.
try the
It is
blackberry
still
one.
hot, but the color is
And-
so beautiful. Are you ready?
Yes. 3,
2, 1. Mmm.
That is awesome.
Because it's still hot. It's still warm. When it cools down, it's gonna be
Guys,
the
this
perfect
is
consistency. It is
awesome.
really delicious. Oh my god, the raspberry one is so good.
It tastes like real blackberry jam.
It is real.
It's not fake. Like bought.
This is as real as it gets. The homemade is more real than the store-bought one. Nikki is the last person who hasn't tried the jams. Well, the blackberry is already finished.
Yeah.
But you will try the raspberry one. This one is still warm, so a bit runny. But you can still tell if you like it or not.
It's the best.
More expression.
It's the best.
I love it. And the color is so good and the taste is so rich. Right?
Love it.
It's a win. Which one do you like best? Because he already tried the blackberry one. Which one do you like more?
This one.
The raspberry one?
Yep.
Me too. Vera likes the blackberry one more. Maxi?
Both are good
Which one do you like
in
more?
their way.
The blackberry or the raspberry?
I like both.
That's it. Maxim likes both. Well guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Love you.